and welcome to Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and I'm here in Kemer, Antalya area, Turkey. I'm at the Rixos Sungate, which is absolutely fantastic, but now we're going to focus on the Rixos Kids Club. It's absolutely brilliant. Water slides, there's science labs, there's games rooms and everything, and it's open right up until 12 o'clock at night. You heard me right, it's absolutely fantastic. I think we should just take a look around now. It's absolutely brilliant. Let's get to it, but for now, gule gule.